The S&P 500 just shed 1.1% and AMD moved 4.0% to $151.73. In the next 7 minutes I'm showing you the one number that explains exactly what happens next. Alpha Signal, March 16, 2026. 3 things on today's agenda: what's driving the indexes, why coin is the name to watch right now, and the single institutional signal that retail investors keep missing. Let's move. Indices are defensive today. The S&P 500 benchmark for institutional performance shed 1.1%. The Nasdaq tracked a similar path on AI and semiconductor flow. The VIX, the market's fear gauge, stayed elevated. Traders are hedging. Volume is tracking in line with the 30-day average. This isn't panic or euphoria, it's rotation. Smart money is repositioning, and I'll show you where it's going. The headline move belongs to coin. AMD moved 4.0% to $151.73. Here's the context: institutional order flow on this name has been building for 3 consecutive sessions. When you see volume like this without a matching news catalyst, it means someone knows something or is positioning ahead of a catalyst. The level to watch: if coin holds its 20-day moving average, the next leg higher is technical. If it breaks, expect algorithmic selling. That's the binary you're trading into. The macro story: U.S. stock futures edge higher as Fed week begins under the cloud of $100 oil. This matters because institutional desks are repricing risk. When macro uncertainty rises, money doesn't disappear, it rotates. Defensives, dividend payers, and cash flow positive tech get bid. Speculative names with no earnings get sold. The playbook here is straightforward: identify what category your holdings fall into, and position accordingly before the rotation accelerates. Here's the one thing most retail investors miss: the market doesn't move on news, it moves on the delta between expectations and reality. Today's 1.1% move lower wasn't about fundamentals changing. It was about positioning adjusting to a number that was different from what the consensus priced in. Your edge is understanding that gap, not chasing the headline. That's your Alpha Signal briefing for March 16, 2026. The market shed 1.1%, coin is showing an institutional signal, and the macro rotation is just getting started. My question for you: do you think coin holds its key level this week, or are we heading lower? Drop your answer below, I read every comment. Subscribe so you catch tomorrow's signal the moment it publishes.